How to unsend and message on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to unsend messages on Instagram. Without any further delay, let's just get right into it. First off, go ahead and open up Instagram. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you want to head over to the bottom right corner to your profile icon. And from here, all you have to do is find the messages. So Instagram has recently moved its messages down below at the bottom center of your screen where there is a little message icon. You can tap on it and you can easily go over to the message that you want to unsend. I'll go over here. Let's say if I want to unsend the reel that I've sent here, I can long press on it and find the option to unsend. Tap on it and it's going to be removed from both sides. If you just want to delete it for you, you can do that as well. You can do the same thing for messages. So let me head over there to this message right here. You can scroll up here, long press on the message, and you can find the option to unsend. Tap on it, and you've successfully unsent the message. That's how you do it. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.